When you're up against an insurance company, you quickly learn just how powerful these companies are. They're some of the biggest bullies in the world, and they have the money and the power to crush your hope of getting any kind of justice. They want to pay you as little money as possible, and they don't care how that affects you or your family. And the way to fight back against these people is to get an aggressive lawyer that's passionate about your case.
It was the winter of 1989. My mother, my father, and I were driving back from North Carolina, heading home to South Carolina, and my father hit a patch of black ice, and the vehicle started violently spinning. And what we didn't know at the time was that particular SUV had a manufacturing defect, and my mother and I were in the back seat, and the door flew open. I was fine, but my mother broke her back. So after this accident, it took us down a path where we were fighting with an insurance company that was trying to minimize her injuries, minimize her damages. Negligence took my childhood from me. I know exactly what it feels like to lose everything that matters to you.
I hate watching people get taken advantage of, and we see it day in and day out in this practice. We see these large corporations, these large insurance companies that harm an individual, which impacts that individual's entire family, and then they don't want to take responsibility for it. And that's really what fuels me. When a person is harmed due to the negligence of another person or a corporation, we can't let them get away with that. We need to send a message so this doesn't happen, that action, that harm doesn't happen to other people in our community. Charles and I do the best that we possibly can to make sure that our clients feel comfortable. And one of the ways we do that is by giving our clients our cell phone number. Each one of our clients gets direct access to Charles and I. They can come right to us with any problems 24 hours a day. Before Charles and I opened this law firm, I was an insurance defense attorney. I represented some of the largest corporations in the world. So I know their tactics. I know how they play the games. So for me, it's not scary. For us here at Spetsas Buist, we are not afraid of anyone, whether it's a large insurance company or it's one of the largest companies in the world. We're just simply not afraid.
My father raised me alone. It was just him and I in the house. And one of the things he taught me is that a bully has to be dealt with. And the way he taught me to deal with a bully is you hit them as hard as you can, and you keep hitting them until they quit or someone pulls you off of them. And when I'm dealing with these insurance companies, I'm looking at a bully across from me. I'm gonna hit them as hard as I can, and I'm gonna keep hitting until they quit or until the judge pulls me off of them. My profession is a competition. It's me versus the person on the other side. And one way you can be sure you're gonna lose in a competition is to get intimidated or let somebody intimidate you. At Spetsas Buist, we have a reputation for not backing down, and we are not intimidated by the bullies on the other side.